Section 4.3, example 5, on page 260, we have if the graph of a polynomial function has several turning points, the function can have a relative maximum and a relative minimum. A relative maximum is the value of the function at an up to down turning point. A relative minimum is the value of the function at a down to up turning point. Notice we have a down to up turning point here, that is a relative minimum, and then we have an up to down turning point here, which is a relative maximum. For example 5, it says, what are the relative maximum and minimum of f of x equals x cubed plus 3x squared minus 24x? To show you this problem, I'm going to go ahead and use Desmos. So you want to be very precise when you're looking for the relative max and min. So we would use a graphing calculator or graphing device such as Desmos. Again, Desmos is really nice when it comes to this because it knows we want the special points. So it's going to go ahead and tell us, if we just click, what those values are. So we have a turning point from up to down, which gives us a relative max of 80 at x equals -4. Then we have a down to up turning point at x equals 2 of -28. So -28 is our relative minimum. Now the book shows you this exact same idea with a graphing calculator. You can of course use the table to examine the values, and once you see the graph, you can look at the table. However, on the graph, you can also use the max and min values, and you just click left and right and it'll tell you the max and min of that area. And this is just showing you the minimum. So again, the final answer would be the relative maximum is 80 at x equals -4, and the relative minimum is -28 at x equals 2. So now you guys are going to find the relative max and the relative min of the graph of f of x equals x cubed minus 7x squared plus 7x plus 15. Again, you are welcome to use Desmos to do this, or if you have a graphing calculator, you can use that as well.